I am not terribly good when it comes to recording action shots. I'm not really set up for action shots really and sport shots like that. I kind of like to do my portraits, set shots up slowly. When you don't do something well, what do? Practice, right? That's what we do. So luckily for me, the Carolina Havoc at the Florence Center had some tryouts, and they were so kind to us and iHeartMedia to let me get close on the field, check some stuff out, to work on the long range shots, and here's how that turned out.
And it turned out a little something like this. Using the 85mm lens meant for a full-frame camera and placing that onto a crop sensor camera, your lens then becomes more like a 170mm zoom lens. And the frame rate was 24, up that to 60 frames per second. And to compensate for that, your shutter speed then has to increase to usually double, so it was around 120, 125 for this part. Now for these still shots, I kept the ISO between 100 and 400 and went in between the zoom and the wide angle lens. I'm not really calling out gear names, because that's not really the point of this video. The point was to get the practice in, and most cameras can do this stuff.
I got
Voodoo job. Right. Welcome back to the vlog. Last time you were here was Madden in the cold.
Oh!
That was a really good catch. I should have been recording that.
I sit here in awe of the men and women who capture these sports shots and can slow this footage down. Video and still shots is amazing, telling the story of the game, all the emotion of the game. It really does come through in the images. You have a fraction of a second to make a catch. You've got the fraction of a second to get the shot. It truly is an incredible thing shooting action sports shots. So I commend everybody who does it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as I enjoyed making this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button and share and subscribe to YeagerShots.com to never miss a shot.